The Honor Magic 6 Pro just got a luxury upgrade with a Porsche Design Magic 6 RSR. From its stunning hexagonal camera housing and sleek Porsche-inspired flyline to groundbreaking features like a dual-layer OLED display and upgraded autofocus, this phone is packed with premium innovation. With double the RAM and storage compared to the standard Magic 6 Pro, it's a powerhouse. But is it worth the £1,599 or €1,899 price tag? Stay tuned as I share my experience using this luxury flagship as my daily driver. Design. The Honor Magic 6 RSR is a stunning luxury smartphone with two eye-catching colorways inspired by Porsche paint jobs: glossy frozen berry, a sleek light pink and matte, agate gray, a more understated option. I'm testing frozen berry, but agate gray would be my personal pick. What sets the Magic 6 RSR apart is its aerodynamic flyline spine and hexagonal camera housing. A bold, futuristic departure from typical designs. The titanium bezel, curved glass over the camera module, and included ultra-premium case with a vegan leather finish elevate its luxury appeal. Weighing 237 grams, it's slightly heavy but ergonomic, with smooth curves and a camera bump that adds grip. Durability is top-notch with nanocrystal shield glass, claimed to be 10 times more resistant than regular glass, and IP68 certification. Even after weeks of use without a screen protector, my unit remains spotless. The haptics are precise and satisfying, though slightly behind Samsung's Galaxy S24 series. Overall, the Honor Magic 6 RSR is a bold statement of luxury and functionality. One standout feature is its tandem OLED display and stereo speakers, taking innovation to the next level. Display. The Magic 6 RSR features a durable tandem OLED display designed for longevity with less than 1% brightness loss after 3 years of use. Its stacked dual-panel design provides 5,000 nits peak brightness while reducing panel stress, ensuring crisp visuals over time. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1280 by 2800 resolution, and curved edges make for a stunning display, ideal for scrolling, gaming, and HDR content. The larger pill-shaped camera cutout may be a concern for some, but the curves improve ergonomics and reduce phantom touches. The stereo speakers are strategically placed to avoid muffling, offering balanced sound with impressive clarity and punchy low end. Whether it's the future-proof display or clear audio, the Magic 6 RSR excels in both areas, delivering vivid visuals and great sound. Performance. The Honor Magic 6 RSR redefines performance with its Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 24 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte of storage. Laptop-grade specs in a smartphone. With unmatched speed, it effortlessly handles demanding tasks, large files, and media storage. Genshin Impact on max settings at 60 frames per second runs flawlessly, staying cool even after 30 minutes, thanks to excellent thermal management. The 1 terabyte storage eliminates space concerns, letting you keep high-res videos, apps, and endless photos without hassle. While 24 gigabytes of RAM might be overkill for some, the storage and lag-free experience offer future-proof luxury, perfect for multitaskers, gamers, or media hoarders. The Magic 6 RSR is a powerhouse built to impress. Cameras. The Magic 6 RSR's camera system builds on the Magic 6 Pro with two key upgrades: LiDAR autofocus, replacing laser autofocus for faster, more reliable performance, and a main sensor capturing 15 stops of dynamic range, up from 13.5. While the improved dynamic range is subtle, the autofocus noticeably enhances performance, especially for moving subjects. Photography quality remains exceptional, with vibrant, sharp images across all lighting conditions. Portrait mode impresses with precise edge detection and customizable blur effects, while night photography excels with quick exposures and natural lighting. The telephoto zoom offers mixed results. Its 2.5x optical zoom and 180 megapixel sensor deliver excellent shots up to 10x, with standout performance at 5x. Beyond 20 times, however, quality drops significantly. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive scenes with ease but struggles in low light. For video, the phone shoots 4K at 60 frames per second on all cameras, with strong daylight stabilization and pro-level features like log profiles and manual controls. While extreme zoom capabilities are lacking, the Magic 6 RSR shines in mid-range zoom, everyday shooting, and advanced video features, making it a versatile option for most users. Battery. The Magic 6 Pro, including the Porsche Design Edition, sets a new standard for battery performance with its 5,600 mAh silicon carbon battery. Despite its powerful Qualcomm chip and ultra-bright OLED display, it delivers impressive endurance, typically ending the day with 40% remaining or lasting up to 2 days for lighter users. Charging is equally impressive. The Porsche Design Edition includes 100-watt chargers, UK and EU, taking the battery from 0% to 80% in 30 minutes and fully charging in under 45 minutes. Wireless charging with Honor's 66-watt wireless supercharger offers a fast and convenient alternative. With excellent longevity and rapid charging options, the Magic 6 Pro is a reliable flagship for both heavy and casual users. Software. The Honor Magic 6 RSR runs on Magic OS 8.0, a heavily customized Android 14-based system. Its interface, inspired by Apple, features separated notifications and quick settings for better organization, and a dynamic island-like camera, cut out with smooth animations for media and notifications. Facial recognition is highly precise, even secure enough for banking apps, a rarity among Android devices. Magic OS 8.0 is optimized for snappy performance, with AI features like Magic Portal that streamline productivity by enabling drag and drop between apps. However, it's not without flaws. Pre-installed bloatware is disappointing at this premium price, and the modified interface can feel confusing or overwhelming for those accustomed to standard Android layouts. Overall, Magic OS 8.0 offers unique features, seamless AI tools, and a polished experience, though its quirks may require some adjustment. Price. The Porsche Design Honor Magic 6 RSR is available globally, excluding the US. In the UK, it's priced at £1,599, €1,899.90 in Europe, and can be purchased directly from Honor, though contract options and third-party availability are limited. With 24 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, it competes well in the ultra-premium market. For comparison, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, 1 terabyte, costs £1,549 but offers only 12 gigabytes of RAM and excludes extras like chargers or cases. The Magic 6 RSR includes 2 100-watt chargers and a premium Porsche-inspired case, adding excellent value. This pricing positions it among top-tier smartphones like the iPhone 15 Pro Max and Galaxy Z Fold 6. Should you buy the Honor Magic 6 RSR? For most users, the Honor Magic 6 Pro is a better choice, offering nearly the same experience at a lower price. The Porsche design enhancements, like the improved camera system, are nice but not game-changing for everyday use. Unless you need the extra storage or prefer the Porsche-inspired design, the Magic 6 Pro is a solid option. However, if you're willing to splurge, the Magic 6 RSR won't disappoint. It offers luxury in every aspect, from unboxing to build quality, with excellent performance, cameras, display, and battery life. It stands among the best Android flagships, rivaling the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're comfortable with the price and unique software, the Magic 6 RSR is a top contender in the ultra-premium market.